All right, as you can see today, I have this folding solar panel, very portable, from ALLPOWERS. So let's go ahead and open it up. Check out the inside. Voila. How about that? So this is a 100-watt folding solar panel from ALLPOWERS. As you can see, it's super portable, very slim, fairly lightweight. I mean, with the cables and extra goods that you have in the pouch on the back here, I'd estimate it's right around 10 pounds, something like that. Well, let's go ahead and check out what's inside the case here. So, first off, most importantly, we've got the universal MC4 connectors, both positive and negative, and you can plug these right into your power station with an adapter of some sort, which is what we have here. So we actually have a few different ones. Don't forget the gel packets. We got 4 of those. So let's probably start off with this one. The MC4 connectors once again. And if you're not familiar, they just plug in just like this. I'm not going to snap them in all the way, but you just hook those up there, untie this cord, and this cable will fit into an ALLPOWERS power station like the S300 Plus that I just reviewed. If you missed that video, it's just a couple videos back, and you can go check out that review and bundle this ALLPOWERS folding solar panel with the newly updated S300 Plus power station that they recently released. So it's as easy as that, and it's nice that you can get a solar panel that actually comes with the cables that you need for their power stations, because the S300 Plus actually does not come with any solar charging cables. The charging cable comes with the solar panel, which is actually a little backwards. It seems like if you were to use another panel that you already had, but just wanted to buy the S300 Plus, it should already come with that solar charging cable, in my opinion, with the power station. Anyways, so we've got that cable for one option. And then we also have another very common cable. This is the XT60 plug. Very common, and same thing. You just plug in the MC4 connectors right into the solar panel, and then you can plug this right into your power station or whatever device you have and start charging. Very cool that it comes with those 2 cables. And we also have 3 extra adapters. We have these 3 adapters that you can just pop off this little platform we've got and pop them on to that cable to be able to plug into other sized power stations. If this one doesn't fit the right plug that you have with your unit, you have a couple other options that might work with the power station you have. That is definitely handy to have. Last but not least, we've got the instruction manual. So we've got all the specs and tips and tricks for how to run this solar panel. It's always great when these companies are able to pack in a little extra storage with their solar panels, because sometimes you have a lot of miscellaneous cables that you want to carry with you. So you've got this large compartment. It's very soft and padded. Has a very nice zipper, double zipper on both sides. And that allows you to bring your cables with you. If we get all this garbage off and keep the cables, we'll set those down. So to use the panel, I just showed you the cords and cables of how to connect it to your power station. But let's go ahead and set it up as if we were outside, because you might have noticed these kickstands. And these are what actually hold the power station up and tilted at the sun. So you can kind of see the design here. They have got a normal strap here, and then they have this kind of stretchy one. So it kind of helps adjust the angle that you need for the sun. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. So open up the panel here. And I'm sorry you can't see me, but I'm just unpopping those 2 kickstands. There's one more. Just like that, you're able to angle the panel. There's actually not a lot of adjustability, just a little bit with these kickstands. That's how that is working. You might also notice that in each of the corners, there's a little loop that you can clip a carabiner on. And then that way you can hang this from something to be able to support it or tie it down from the wind and maximize the amount of solar you can get out of the panel. If we're looking at the back of the unit, we've got these 2 kickstands. And because they're bungee, you can just let them back down and they go right back in place without any additional work needed. And then we can go ahead and just fold the panel over just like that. And we're good to go. This is a very fast, quick, convenient folding solar panel. If you're interested in this product from ALLPOWERS, as always, I have the product link down below in the description for you to be able to go check it out and see more of the specs to see if this is something that you're interested in. As it is the holiday season, Black Friday is among us, and Christmas is around the corner. There are some extra discounts available. In fact, ALLPOWERS has given me a discount code to share with you, and I'll have that down below in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. And go ahead and check out the other products that ALLPOWERS has as well. They have a cool array of different power stations, and I've been pretty pleased for the most part with their products. With all that, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you could leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, that would be awesome. I would greatly appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.